Good morning, students. Previously we discussed wave nature of light, which is nothing but light is travel in the form of wave motion, which having electric and magnetic field perpendicular to each other. Then we will discuss wave properties and electromagnetic spectrum. Today we are going to discuss particle nature of light. It is against to wave nature of light. Today we are going to discuss particle nature of light. Particle nature of light. So, why sir, what is the need of discussing particle nature of light? If it is your question, interference and can be explained by wave nature of light, but nature of radiation emission from hot bodies, emission of radiation from hot bodies, it could not explain by wave nature of light. Next, ejection of electrons from the metal surface by using light, it could not explain by wave nature of light. These two successfully explained by particle nature of light, which was proposed by Max Planck. So, particle nature of light explained by Planck's quantum theory. Now, we are going to discuss what is a Planck's quantum theory. You have to know first. So, now you have to know particle nature of light. So, light having, but previously we discussed light having wave nature. Now we are going to discuss light having particle nature. Particle nature, light having particle nature means we have to confirm that it by Planck's quantum theory. So, according to Max Planck, he successfully explained black body of radiation, which is useful to encounter emission of radiation from hot bodies. So, first of all we have to discuss about Planck's quantum theory. Next, what is a black body of radiation. Next, what is a photoelectric effect, we are going to discuss. Now we are going to discuss Planck's quantum theory. Planck's quantum theory. What is a Planck's quantum theory means? Emission of radiation or absorbed of radiation of the charged particles by vibration. How charged particles emit the radiation or absorbs the radiation means emission or absorbs of radiation by charged particles due to vibration. Due to vibration. See here, first point we have to discuss. Absorption or emission. Absorption or emission of radiation, absorption or emission of radiation by charged particles due to vibration. Absorption or emission of radiation by charged particles due to vibration, according to Max Planck's quantum theory. See, the radiation is emitted in the form of small pockets are called quantum. The radiation radiation is emitted in the form of small pockets are called quantum. The radiation is emitted in the form of a small. The energy is stored in the form of a small pockets called quantum. The radiation is emitted, or the radiation is stored in the form of small pockets. See, energy is stored in the form of small pockets, called quantum. Energy is stored in the form of small discrete particles called small pockets are called quantum. Here, according to Planck's quantum theory, the energy of radiation E is directly proportional to its frequency. The energy of radiation E is directly proportional to frequency. Nu. Energy of radiation E is directly proportional to frequency nu. Now E is directly proportional to nu. Now if you want to remove this proportionality, you have to keep a constant E equal to h nu. Here E equal to energy of radiation or electromagnetic radiation, h is equal to Planck's constant, nu equal to frequency. Here h is equal to Planck's constant. Its value is 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 joules into second. Or this is equal to h is equal to 6.626 into 10 power minus 27 ergs per second. E equal to energy of radiation. Nu equal to frequency. The emission energy is in the form of 1 h nu, 2 h nu, 3 h nu, like that, whole number, but not a fraction number. The emission energy is in the form of 1 h nu, 2 h nu, 3 h nu, like that. 1H nu, 2H nu, 3H nu, but not 1.5H nu, 2.5H nu, and so on. The emission of energy is in the form of 1H nu, 1H nu, 2H nu, 3H nu, but not 1.5H nu, 2.5H nu, like this. What I mean to say here, so emission of energy is in the form of photons, that is a whole number, but not in the form of 1.5H nu, 2.5H nu, that is not in the form of a fraction number. So it is nothing but a Planck's quantum theory. Absorption or emission of radiation by charged particles due to vibration. Due to vibration of charged particles, energy is emitted or absorbed. That is the first point of Planck's quantum theory. Energy is stored in the form of small pockets called quantum. Energy is stored in the form of small discrete small discrete energy is released in the form of small discrete particles, or energy is stored in the form of small pockets are called quantum. The energy of radiation E is directly proportional to its frequency. If you want to remove this proportionality, you have to keep a constant E equal to H nu. H is nothing but a Planck's constant. This value is 6.626 or 625 into 10 power minus 34 joules into second, or H 6.626 into 10 power minus 27 ergs per second. So E equal to energy of radiation. Then nu equal to frequency. Now the emission energy is in the form of a small H nu, photons. 1 H nu is nothing but 1 photon. So 1 H nu, 2 H nu, 3 H nu, but not 1.5 H nu, 2.5 H nu, like that. It is a Planck's quantum theory. Planck successfully explains emission of radiation of hot bodies. Now emission of radiation from hot bodies. So how Planck explain emission of radiation from hot bodies means by the experiment of black body of radiation. Black body of radiation. And observing black body of radiation, how hot bodies emits radiation, we may get an idea. Now we are going to discuss emission of radiation from hot bodies by observing Planck's quantum theory. Now emission of radiation. Now emission of emission of radiation from hot bodies, okay. This was explained by Max Planck by the experiment black body of radiation. Now the experiment black body of radiation. Black body of radiation. Okay. Now you have to know what is a black body. What is a black body. Black body is a perfect absorber and perfect emission of radiation. Black body is an ideal body which absorbs and which emits of radiation perfectly. Is nothing but a black body. Black body, it is a ideal body. It is an ideal body. Black body is an ideal body which absorbs and emits of radiation perfectly, it is an ideal body which absorbs and emits of radiation perfectly. So black body means it is a hollow sphere which coated it having a small hole. So black body is nothing but it is a hollow sphere. It is a hollow sphere which having a small hole, which is coated inside with it is nothing but platinum black. It is a black coating. It is a small hole. Black body, it is an hollow sphere which having a small hole coated inside with the platinum black. It is nothing but a black body. Now increasing the temperature on black body, what happens we are going to discuss with help of a plot. The plot is between intensity and wavelength. We are going to a graph, that is graph. I am going to explain this experiment with help of a graph. So here it is a graph we are going to write. It is nothing but intensity. It is a wavelength. Lambda. It is intensity. It is a 0. Now at low temperature, graph is like this. It is at a temperature T1. At low temperature the graph is like this. Intensity is low and wavelengths are more. At high temperature, means on increasing the temperature on black body, at high temperature graph is like this. Means it is a temperature T2. It is a temperature T2. At high temperature, intensity is a maximum, wavelength is a less. So what I mean to say, we may give conclusions from this here. T2 is greater than T1. Means every body is not absorbs the temperature and continuously Every body is not absorbs the temperature continuously. It absorbs a temperature up to it absorbs energy of radiation up to a certain point, then it will be decreases. So at low temperature wavelength is high and intensity is maximum. So we may give conclusions at low temperatures. Conclusions at a low temperature intensity is less, wavelength is more. At low temperature intensity is less and wavelength is more. Wavelength is more. At low temperature intensity is low and wavelength is more. Next, at high temperature, so intensity is more, the curve reaches maximum and then decreases. Intensity is more and wavelength is less. At high temperature, T means at high temperature intensity is more and wavelength is less. So by observing these facts, every body cannot absorb the temperature in continuous manner. Every body cannot absorb the temperature in continuous manner. Okay. Now every body cannot absorbs the radiation in continuous manner. In continuous manner. If it is continuous, the graph is like this. If it is continuous, the graph is like this. So it absorbs the temperature up to a certain period and then it emits. So black body absorbs the temperature up to a certain period and then emits. Black body absorbs the radiation up to a point and then it emits, and then black body absorbs the radiation up to a point and then emits. Up to a point means this is the point, peak point. Up to this point absorbs and then emits. So this is nothing but emission of radiation from hot bodies. So emission of radiation from hot bodies, this was explained by Max Planck by black body of radiation. So black body means it is an ideal body which absorbs and emits the radiation perfectly. Then so black body experiment, we have to describe a black body first. So it is a black body. It is a black body. Black body is a hollow sphere. It is a hollow sphere. It is a hollow sphere. Hollow sphere which having a small hole coated inside with platinum black. Then it can be act as a black body. On increasing the temperature on that body, then what happened? So at low temperature, means first temperature is T1, low temperature intensity is less and wavelength is more. At low temperature intensity is less and wavelengths are more. At high temperature intensity is more and wavelength is less. And then every body cannot absorb the temperature in continuous manner. So black body absorbs the temperature up to if it is, so every body cannot absorb the radiation in continuous manner. If it is continuous, the graph is like this. Okay, so if it is a discontinuous means black body absorbs the radiation up to a certain period and then it emits. Emits means curve reaches maximum up to a period absorbs, and emitting means curve reaches low towards wavelength. This is a peak point. Up to this point energy is absorbed by the black body and then emits. It is nothing but a black body of radiation. Black body of radiation. Okay, so next ejection of electrons from hot bodies we have to discuss. Ejection of electrons from hot bodies. What I mean to say, wavelength, wave nature of radiation could not explain these 2 points, emission of radiation from hot bodies and next ejection of electrons from metal surface. This could not explain. These two are explained by particle nature of light. So one is successfully explained by Planck's quantum theory. Next we are going to discuss photoelectric effect. Okay.